going to be taking part in the how come I can't ever say this? Okay. Serious. We're gonna take things seriously here. Okay, take two. Hi guys, Sarah here. Thank you for joining us today on this collaboration of Piggy Love. That's not how it goes. That's, oh, it's quite simple. Why can't we do this right? Hey y'all. No. Be one with the world. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah of Sarah Mack Art. Today we are going to be doing a collaboration of Piggy Love with the Fluid Art Co. sponsoring, and it is, does anybody have a drink? I'm not sure why this is so difficult for me, because I'm never on camera and there's just so much to tell the people. Okay. Hi guys. I wasn't even on camera. Beep. Take 25,000. So literally take 45. Hi everybody, thanks for coming. My name is Sarah Mack and welcome to my channel. Today's collaboration is really special. All of the pieces of art that you see created in this Piggy Love collaboration will be auctioned off, and all those proceeds will be then donated to Where Pigs Fly Farm Sanctuary in New South Wales, Australia. So below in the video description box, what you're going to find is a link to the website, the auction link, and you can go on there as soon as this piece is finished, and you'll see the dried results, and you'll be able to bid on my heart art piece. The collaboration was started earlier today by Lisa Marvin Art, and then a whole slew of talented artists went, and then there's me. So here I am, and what we're gonna be doing is doing a split cup pour with a 2-chamber split cup, but it's shaped as a heart as well, courtesy of Billy Guerrera in 2021. So thank you, Billy. I'm finally gonna do something with this. So this is gonna be lots of fun. I've got 5 TLP pigments mixed up. I have 3 or 4 different paints mixed up, and we're just gonna see how this goes. What else? So Kathleen Osborne was before me. Jody Flynn is after me. Be sure to check out in the description box the link to purchase or bid on this piece of art and all the others prior to this, and then of course all the others after me. And then also there is a playlist so you can follow along. I think that's it. This is like take 45 for me, literally. Yeah, I don't talk on camera very often, and it clearly shows. All right, let's get on down to the MDF board because it's not a canvas. See you soon. Okay, now that we're down on the canvas, I have my split cup here, and I am going to start to layer the cup. And yeah, I'm gonna have to leave it right there to layer it, I think, so you guys can see it. Actually, why don't I just move the heart out of the way and we'll be good. Haha. All right, so I am gonna put the heart right here. And the colors, we're just gonna go over those real quick. I have Permanent Violet Dark by Golden. It's fairly thick. I have Brulee, which I love, by This Little Piggy. Here it is, Brulee. I also am using Velvet by This Little Piggy. And that one is right here. And I mixed all these with Sax Gel Gloss after dispersing the pigments in Jo Sonja varnish and then adding Floetrol. Then I'm going to use a stuck-up pig by the name of Pretentious. This pretty thing here. And this is a beautiful chameleon style shift paint or pigment, I apologize. And then I have TLP Ore, and that is right here. And then I'm also using Horizon. So those are my pigments I'm going to use, and they've all been mixed the same. Jo Sonja's to disperse, Sax Gel Gloss, and then Floetrol. I also have Payne's Gray, and I have decoart 24K Gold, and I also have, oops, my new white mix that we're gonna play with. So it is fairly thick. All right, so I'm gonna just layer up this heart. And I have no idea which direction I'm gonna go in with colors. But, all right, we're gonna do a little bit of white in each bay. And then I'm gonna follow that up with some brulee. And then, how about some 24 karat gold? Come in with some Horizon. And then Permanent Violet. Some of my white mix. And then, let me see here. It's terribly uneven, so. Some ore. And Payne's Gray. We're gonna follow that with Pretentious, which I love. And Permanent Violet. Velvet. We'll come in with white. And then Horizon. I'm gonna do a little squiggle of the 24K here. What else? Maybe some Payne's Gray. I'm like really not sure. All right, let's do some ore. The violet. Pretentious. I think we have more than enough paint here. I'm gonna stop. All right, remove all the piggies out of the way. My paint's out of the way. Okay, I'm gonna bring my in here. Let me see here, you guys can see. All right, and we are going to start our pour. I was gonna do just in the center, but maybe I wanna travel with it. Ooh, I'm loving it. So we are gonna put a little bit of the white here first. And then over here, there's more than enough paint on here, which is great. And we'll give it a torch. We're gonna go that way with it. And we're gonna go over here, but not all the way. All right, so we're gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. And I have some wonderful paint still left in here, and I guess I'm just gonna put that to the side because I don't think I wanna touch this anymore. Oh yeah. All right, let's bring you guys in for a close-up. All right. So here are all the bits of beauty. I'm loving that in there. And I'm hoping that the orange, I'm in like the light so you guys can't see, but I'm loving this piece. I'm super happy with it. Maybe I'll do something in the middle here. We'll see. Maybe I'll change it up. I don't know, I'm not really liking that. And there's a little heart I poked through. So this is it. This is how it's gonna end. So I'm loving it. I love this in here. Pretentious is gonna be crazy awesome. And yeah, that's all. All right, guys, be sure to check the link below for this piece being auctioned off, as well as our video playlist, so you can follow along with the collaboration as everybody starts to do their pieces. Let's raise a bunch of money for the cute little piggies in Australia. Have a great day. guys, so here is the final results, and I'm totally loving all the colors. I'm gonna bring it outside, I think, in the sunlight and do it because it's not picking up everything, but I'm loving the final outcome. You guys have been amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah. All right, guys, Jody Flynn is next. And I'm just gonna take this out in the sunlight for you guys, and then I'll let you go. All right, let's try it this way. Okay. All right, guys, so the sunlight definitely does it better. It's a little chilly and frosty out, but yeah, very happy with the final outcome. So, all right, guys, hop on over to Jody Flynn's video next. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.